Do you know what the periodic table is? Well, you might, since it is a popular topic in your science class, can be found in books and on your shirt sometimes. Now, have you ever wondered, why is it arranged like that? Well, let's take a look back at the history of the periodic table. This right here is Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, and one day in his lab he created a framework that grouped elements together determined by their atomic weight and properties, such as boiling point, melting point, conductivity, and much more. Now you might be wondering, why is he famous for this? In his periodic table, he left gaps in between for elements that weren't discovered yet and was determined and placed in areas by their atomic weight and properties. Since 68 was one step away from aluminum, it was called Eka aluminum, Eka standing for 1. And he was correct, since later on it was found that it became gallium. Now let's take a look back at the modern periodic table and how it is arranged. By columns, it is arranged by groups or families, meaning finding the valence electron or outermost shell. Now let's give an example. This right here is nitrogen with an atomic number of 7. In the inner, its max can be only 2, and to make it 7, we need 5, meaning that the outermost shell will have 5 valence electrons. And as we move through the periodic table, this is where nitrogen will be placed. Next up, we have periods, which can be found in rows, meaning finding the energy levels of them. There is also atomic mass, properties, metalloid or semi-metal, metals, and non-metals that can be found on the periodic table and how it is arranged. Now let's take a look at how an element is labeled. On the top there is atomic number, on the bottom it's atomic weight, in the middle is symbol, and under it is the chemical name. Now, if anyone ever asks you who created the periodic table, you can now answer with Dmitry Mendeleev. If you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye! No, seriously, bye now.